Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss the new topic of same unit, that is called as the introduction of polymer, unit number 15. Clear? Today we discuss here the question also asked in examination 3 marks. Question also asked in examination 3 marks. Explain the free radical. Explain the free radical mechanism in addition polymer. Explain the free radical mechanism in addition polymer. Okay? Or explain the how the addition polymer shows the mechanism. Clear? First of all, what is mechanism? Why you use a mechanism in organic chemistry or any branch? The word mechanism is what? So mechanism means the process in which how the reaction is happen, which bond of reactant is break, and which bond of product is newly formed. It is called as the mechanism. How this reaction proceed? How the reaction proceed? So it is called as the mechanism. Clear? Or also explain that which reaction are shows the first step reaction. Some reaction are simple and some reaction are complex. It means some reaction are take place in a one step. Some reaction take place in a more than one step, called as the complex reactions. Clear? So in the free radical mechanism in a addition polymer, the mechanism shows or explained by 3 steps. In the mechanism of addition polymer, it form in a 3 steps. First step called as the chain initiation. Second is the chain propagation, and third is the chain terminations. We discuss one by one. In a first step called as the name chain initiation, means initiator. It means starting material are used. Which starting material are used to change the reactant into product? The step which take place in a starting material, so it is called a chain initiation. Initiation is initiator. Initiation is starting material. So in the free radical mechanism in addition polymer, the initiator used as a catalyst, that is called as a benzoyl peroxide or methyl peroxide. Clear? Or dimethyl peroxide. Clear? Benzyl peroxide, dimethyl peroxide or butyl peroxide. Clear? These 3 catalysts are initiator to initiate the first step of addition polymer. Clear? So we take this CH3 C double bond O CO CH3. It is used as what? Initiator, means it is used as catalyst. Clear? So this initiator will be break. अब इसे ब्रेक करना है बेटा ऐसे, ठीक है? So what we get? This break oxygen. Clear? So here this break what we get here? This bond shifted. Clear? So this in this way. So it is called as a homolytic feature. What is free radical? What is free radical? How the free radicals form? So when the breaking of bond with the help of homolytic fission, it form the 2 similar point called as radical. अगर एक बॉन्ड है बेटा उसको ब्रेक किया, तो आपको पता है one bond break into 2 way. One is called as homolytic fission, second is called as heterolytic fission. Clear? आपको पता है कि वन बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म हम इलेक्ट्रॉन 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. अब बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करते हैं बेटा, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर ये बॉन्ड है, इसे ब्रेक किया हमने, तो अगर ये बॉन्ड कैसे बना है? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन से बना हुआ है, ठीक है? अगर इसे ब्रेक करूंगा तो एक एटम 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन लेगा, दूसरा इलेक्ट्रॉन लेगा. दिस is called as the point called as the free radical. It means in the breaking of homolytic fission, the free radical is formed. Clear? So here this bond break, so we get this radical, and this bond break we get on a carbon radical. So what we get? We get twice. How many CH3? One is twice CH3. This CO as it is, and attached to what here? What? Single dot. What here? Single dot. On which atom? On a oxygen atom. Clear? It is called as what? What? Chain initiation process. Now further, this further is react with and loss of which atom है? Loss of twice CO2 और loss of, अगर इसको ये दो मॉलिक्यूल है बेटा, इसका एक मॉलिक्यूल लेते हैं हम लोग, तो व्हाट वी गेट वन मॉलिक्यूल CH3COO, वो अगर सिंगल मॉलिक्यूल लिया तो सिंगल मॉलिक्यूल लिया, अगर फॉर एग्जांपल इसको कैसा मॉलिक्यूल लिया? CH3CO लिया, ठीक है, तो ये CO2 क्या होगा? यहाँ से ब्रेक होगा, दिस will be break, this contain a dot, and this dot means what form? It will form bond. A loss of its molecule, loss of CO2. ये दो मॉलिक्यूल, इसका सिंगल मॉलिक्यूल लिया बेटा, हमने CO2 लॉस कर दिया और इस बॉन्ड को कैसे ब्रेक किया? बाय होमोलैटिक फिजन. What we get dot on CH3. So this is called as the free radical. It means in the chain initiator, the CH3 contains species. This is called as the free radical. Clear? Now further, this free radical, methyl free radical, this CH3 called as methyl free radical, is further react with a reactant. So which reactant? We take a CH2 double bond CHY. It is a monomer. The reactor are monomer, and which repeated to form what here? Polymer. So this CH2 CHY is a monomer of vinyl compound, vinyl compound. Now this monomer of vinyl compound is react with free radical. What we get now? This bond is break. This one bond is break by which fusion? Homolytic fusion. This symbol indicates the homolytic fusion. So this contain one species. This contain one species means one bond break into two different types of dot on the similar behind the atom. ठीक है? Near the atom. ठीक है? So what we get? This dot. What form bond? This dot means it's a single electron. So single plus single, what we get here? Double. Means two electron form what a bond. So we get here bond. Here this CH3. This single bond, what form bond here? Okay. Then this CH2 as it is. Now this contain a free radical on a CH5. Clear? सिंपल पैटर्न है बेटा, जो बॉन्ड है उसको ब्रेक करना है, विच फ्यूजन होमोलैटिक फ्यूजन से उस पे दो रेडिकल आ जाएंगे, अगर रेडिकल सिमिलर दोनों को कंबाइन करना तो क्या बन जाएगा? बॉन्ड बन जाएगा. अब रिमेनिंग के बाद यहाँ पे क्या बन जाएंगे? दिस विनाइल फ्री रेडिकल. इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड व्हाट इज FR कॉल्ड फ्री रेडिकल. इट इज कॉल्ड चेन इनिशिएशन. मींस टू फॉर्म द फ्री रेडिकल इज कॉल्ड एज चेन इनिशिएशन. स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल. ठीक है. नाउ फर्दर स्टेप सेकंड, chain propagation means what? Means continuously change. It is a continuously change. One monomer react to each other up to what? Thousands of monomer repeated to each other. It is a fast step. It does not control. Clear? So further, the process in which one monomer free radical is further react with another vinyl monomer. Vinyl monomer to form here another free radical, because this reaction is continuously, it does not stop, called as chain propagation. So this free radical of vinyl is react with another vinyl monomer. What we get? Simple reaction. This bond further break into fusion, homolytic fusion. Clear? So similar here, this CH3 as it is, this CH2 as it is, this CHY as it is. What we take here? This single dot, it's also dot here, this dot. So dot, what we get here? What form here? Dot, what we get here? Yes, we get here the formation of this dot. What we get here? It form here a bond, this bond. Clear? Now for the CH2 as it is, then remaining CHY will be contain a single electron called as free radical. It also form the what? FR called as free radical. Clear? Now further, step third, chain termination means to stop the reactant convert into product and to form the addition product called as the termination. It means stop the reaction. अगर रिएक्शंस को बेटा अगर हमने क्या किया, फॉर एग्जांपल ये रिएक्टर लिया फिर और उसको आगे और रिएक्टर ऐड किया विद नॉर्मल, तो रिएक्शन कंटिन्यू होती रहेगी, रिएक्शन स्टॉप नहीं होती. अब रिएक्शन स्टॉप करना है तो व्हाट वी टेक द थर्ड स्टेप, चेन टर्मिनेशन मींस टू एडेड टू टर्मिनल ऑफ टू रिएक्टेंट साइड, यानी दो रिएक्टेंट जो लेके हम लोग उनकी लास्ट साइड की जो डॉट है उसको आप अगर दोनों मिला देंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा, विल बी कंबाइंड व्हाट वी फॉर्म बॉन्ड, द चेन विल बी स्टॉप. अगर रिएक्टेंट में फ्री रेडिकल प्रोडक्ट फ्री रेडिकल बनते रहे तो रिएक्शन स्टॉप नहीं होगी, फ्री रेडिकल व्हाट वी गेट बॉन्ड, so what we take here bond. So what is chain termination? The process to stop the what chain propagation called as chain termination. So here we take the reactant to here one this similar CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 CHY then CH2 then CHY similar molecule another molecule we take here, उसको हमने क्या किया अलग फॉर्म में लिया है, क्या है यहाँ पे CHY, क्लियर है, CHY this CH2 then CHY then CH2 then CHY दोनों मोनोमर इक्वल लिया, सिर्फ साइड चेंज किया क्योंकि we take a two side terminal to combine the free radical to form the bond, stop the reactions. Clear? So this dot what we get we get here the bond and the reaction will be stopped. So what we get here, yes, we get here the product is there what CH2CH, what we get here. So we take the example here, ठीक है. Okay, so we stop here the reactant CH3 CH2 then CHY then CH2 then CHY. This radical is react to another radical here. What we get, this single electron single, what we get a bond here. So we take here CHY then CH2 then CHY then CH2 then CH3. Okay, so their reaction will be stopped here. If you added a two terminal side of the free radical, we get a bond and the reaction will be stopped. Clear? So we get here the product of the free radical mechanism, the addition polymer. This question asked in examination 3 marks. Explain the what mechanism in the free radical in the addition reactions. Clear? Okay. So it's all about the what free radical mechanism in the addition polymer. Clear? Okay. सिंपल रिएक्शन है बेटा, सिर्फ क्या कि ये मॉलिक्यूल को दोबारा हमने रिपीट किया, इस फॉर्म में लिखा, दोनों को ज्वाइन कर दिया तो रिएक्शन विल स्टॉप. ठीक है, ओके, क्लियर. ओके, नाउ वी टेक हियर द क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है बेटा, यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन आता है आपको हाउ टू प्रिपेयर डेक्रान और टेरिलिन और एक्सप्लेन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ डेक्रान और टेरिलिन. Which monomer are used to prepare डेक्रान और टेरिलिन. सिंपल क्वेश्चन आता है आपको, प्रिपरेशन 2 मार्क्स के लिए आ सकते हैं. सिंपल आपको याद रखना है हाउ टू प्रिपेयर. सो इफ यू प्रिपेयर डेक्रान इज अ पॉलिस्टर, डेक्रान इज अ पॉलिस्टर, यू नो क्लॉथ पॉलिस्टर के होते हैं, ठीक है ना. सो डेक्रान इज अ पॉलिस्टर एंड दिस पॉलिस्टर फॉर्म बाय व्हाट टू मोनोमर आर यूज्ड. इट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमर. The dacron or the teriline is an example of condensation polymer. Clear? So this if we prepare the dacron or polyester or teriline, we take a 2 monomer are used. Clear? In addition polymer it form only 1 monomer, whereas condensation polymer formed by 2 monomer. Clear? So we take a 2 monomer. This N indicate here. This N is what? N suffix or prefix. The N prefix indicate monomer and N last suffix indicate the polymer. अगर N the word N small है अगर पहले आता है बेटा तो मोनोमर है, और वही N अगर लास्ट में आता है तो इसमें क्या है बेटा, वो पॉलीमर है. ठीक है. So what we do here, this N is a monomer. The name is called ethylene glycose. ethylene glycol as a monomer. When the ethylene glycol is react with a terephthalic acid. Terephthalic acid is a one type of a monomer. So when the ethylene glycol is react with terephthalic acid, in presence of heat, it loses a water molecule and to form the what? Dacron or toluene. To form the dacron or toluene. Simple. Okay. When a ethylene glycol is react with a terephthalic acid in presence of heat, it loses some water molecule. Why? Because it is example of condensation reaction. In this process, losses small molecule also take place like the water molecule or alcohol. Clear? Simple reaction pretty clear. Ethylene glycol HOCH2CH2OH, then the remaining what? Terephthalic acid, benzene, COH. In this reaction, the H from the ethylene glycol and OH from the terephthalic acid will be lost. As a HH, how many H? 2H. Remaining O. Remaining the compound are joined together. What we get remaining? HOH as it is, this CH2 as it is, this also as it is, this O as it is, then this CO will be right as C double bond. CO को हम C double bond लिख सकते हैं लोग. Remaining part that is here. This CO also right as C double bond OOH. It is called as what? Toluene or dacron. It is called as the ester linkage because the toluene or dacron is the example of polyester. Ester, what is the formula for ester? RCOR. Repeat RCOOR. Clear? It is the example of the what or the which types of polymer? Polyester. This ester link is the bond is called ester bond. Our function group of is called ester link. Clear? So it is all about the what? It is all about the theoretical mechanism, the addition polymer, and also the preparation of what? Part dacron or toluene. Dacron or toluene or the polyester. Simple, clear? तो ये क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में आते हैं बेटा. सिंपल समझ में आपको थ्योरेटिकल मतलब क्या बेटा? बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करना है. अगर बॉन्ड होमोलैटिक फिजन में होता है तो इसमें क्या बनता है? एक जो एटम है वो दोनों एटम पर इलेक्ट्रॉन सिंगल आता है, इसको बोलते हैं थ्योरेटिकल. ठीक है. और थ्योरेटिकल अगर कंटिन्यू बनते रहे तो रिएक्शन को बोलते हैं प्रोपगेशंस. अगर रिएक्शंस को स्टॉप करना है जब दो थ्योरेटिकल को ऐड करेंगे, अगर दो थ्योरेटिकल ऐड करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? बॉन्ड. इट इज कॉल्ड द स्टॉप द रिएक्शंस कॉल्ड एज चेन टर्मिनेशंस. क्लियर? ओके. थैंक यू सो मच.